Good afternoon everyone. Today my topic is machinability applies in drilling GFR epoxy composite using the SPSS method. Introduction. Why drill composite? Industrial context. Polymer composites replacing metal in aerospace and marine. Carbon epoxy parts now used in aircraft instead of metal. Classified by reinforced epoxy GFRP is widely used. Drilling is essential for assembly of composite structure. Rejected drilled holes causes significant economic losses. Drilling challenges. Composite are anisotropic and hysterogeneous. Observing nature cases prevent tool wear. Key issues: delamination, surface roughness, transverse curvature. Drill gear significantly affects hole quality. Cutting speed, feed, and drill gear are intact. What is SPSS? Statistical Packaging for the Social Science full form. Developer IBM SPSS Statics, formerly SPS Inc. Purpose: data management, statistical analysis and reporting. Version used: SPSS version 16.0 used in this study for all analysis. SPSS key features used in this study: descriptive statistics, computes N range, minimum, maximum, mean, standard deviation, variance and experience for all variables. Reliability analysis, calculate chromophore, measure internal consistency of the model. Correlation matrix, percent correlations coefficients between all pairs of variables. Frequency statistics, computes standard error of mean, mode, sum and precedence 25th, 5th, 75th. Multiple regression, builds multiple linear regressions, model with R square, adjust R square, F values and significance. Histogram plots, frequency distribution charts with normal curve overlay for visual inspection. Experimental setup materials, machining parameters, materials woven GFR composite. E classes woven revolving fiber reinforced epoxy laminates. And layer manufacturing process: 25 layers, total thickness 8.3 mm. Fiber bonding fraction equal to 35%. Universal test machine ASTM test for tension and bearing. Machine Stanford port radial drill. Scanner Epson B370 4800 to 9600 dpi for delamination imaging. Roughness meter, rank Taylor Epson, cut off 0.8 mm, length 4 mm. Descriptive statistics in SPSS. Step 1. Open SPS to enter data, speed, gear, feed, FTP, del push, RA in the data editor. Step 2. Go to analyze to descriptive statistics to descriptive. Step 3. Move all variables, speed, gear, feed, FTP, del push, RA to the variables box. Step 4. Click option, select mean, standard deviation, variance, range, minimum, maximum, fitness to continue. Step 5. For frequency states, analyze to descriptive statistics to frequencies to click statistics tab. Step 6. Click OK. Output viewers show table 1 and 2 will all descriptive values. Table 1 descriptive statistics results. FT shown the biggest range 27.6 to 990.8 Newton, indicating strong Reliability statics. This clone bar for 0.924. Clone bar. What does 0.924 means? Clone bar alpha range from 0 to 1. A value greater than 0.70 is considered acceptable. Greater than 0.90 is excellent. Alpha equal to 0.924 indicates 92% internal consistency. The 5 items in the model are highly correlated and measure this. Some on the histogram to visually assess whether the data distribution in